Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now we're making a Bodo. We call it Bodo.
And Mike said something about preserving the fish.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about that.
Before, when we don't have electricity or refrigerator, we will, that's the way we preserve the fish. So we put lots of salt.
Yeah, these are part of the
Sardines.
harvest we got here the other day
Yep.
of fish.
But some you give to neighbor, right?
Yeah,
You give some.
yeah, we gave away some to the neighbors too. I don't know, I think we had like 15 kilo and it's a little too much. But we like to share.
Yep. We share because we have a lot of fish.
Right,
We share our blessing.
right. And that's what our viewers need to do. They need to share something too.
Yes.
Share the videos
And then subscribe.
and subscribe to our YouTube channel
Yes.
and
And likes also on our Facebook.
right. And here in the next few days we're gonna come up with a little bit more advice videos for foreigners that want to come here, and we might even focus on Europeans
Yeah.
a little bit, since that's where I'm originally from. But we're gonna try to start having those videos up and running, so they can become a source of information for you if you plan on coming here to the Philippines and stay here.
Yeah.
But for now,
Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share, like on our Facebook page also. Bye-bye.